How does a gold IRA work? A gold IRA is an individual retirement account (IRA) that allows the investor to store physical gold as an asset in the retirement portfolio. Gold IRA are an attractive option for investors looking to protect their retirement nest egg against volatility, economic downturns, and high inflation. Gold has long been considered a safe haven during times of economic instability, and a gold IRA allows you to capitalize on its potential while also enjoying tax benefits. A gold IRA works by allowing you to purchase approved gold bullion bars and coins through a self-directed IRA custodian. Once the precious metals are purchased, they can be stored in a depository or in an individual retirement account storage facility. To open a gold IRA, you must first qualify for a traditional or Roth IRA with your financial institution and choose an approved gold dealer. The dealer will then help you choose which gold coins and bullion bars to include in the account. The age requirement for opening a gold IRA is between 18 and 71/2 years old, and any taxes or fees due on the account will depend on the amount of money invested in the gold IRA. Once the account is opened and funded, the investor can begin to purchase approved precious metals and add them to the gold IRA. These metals must remain stored at an IRS-approved custodial institution, such as Brink's Global Services or Fortress Gold Group. In order to maintain the account and keep it active, annual contributions must be made or funds are withdrawn from the gold IRA. In addition to providing financial stability during a recession or times of high inflation, gold IRA can also provide tax advantages when compared to other types of retirement accounts. The benefit of investing in gold comes from its ability to protect your wealth and purchasing power during uncertain economic times. Request your free gold guides now from Augusta Precious Metals by clicking the link below the video or visiting easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them toll-free at 1-855-470-4636. Take action right away to help diversify and protect your retirement now. Visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636 now. They look forward to helping you answer your questions and get started right away. You'll be glad you did.